Hello everybody, CJ here from Muxboard, and in the next 3 minutes I'm going to answer the question, what are Quick Connect ematches? Chances are if you're watching this video right now, you probably already know what ematches are, but in general, if you don't, there's an ematch head at one end covered with a plastic shroud. And at the other end, it's generally two partially stripped wires that are usually twisted together. The technology we're using in ematches today goes back a long time, probably back as early as the 1800s. But it wasn't until the 1970s here in the United States when blasting igniters crossed over from the mining industry and were adapted for use in fireworks. Since then, pyrotechnicians like you have been out in the field stripping wires, splitting leads, and making connections to speaker terminals or pyro clips one at a time. So you're probably asking yourself, what are Quick Connect ematches? And the truth is, this is not new technology. It's just recently been adapted for use in the fireworks industry. The connectors used on Quick Connect ematches are actually commercially available. And according to the manufacturer, and I quote, "The connectors are designed to simplify the connection process in high volume applications and lower overall cost." So you're probably asking yourself, what's the big deal with Quick Connect ematches? And what it boils down to is, connecting ematches is going to be easier and quicker, and we're going to connect more fireworks in less time. Before we go any further, let me show you how Quick Connect ematches work. So if you have this and you want this, shop at my website where you'll connect more fireworks in less time, muxboard.com. If you enjoyed this video, please go down below and give us a thumbs up. And if we did a really good job, please hit that share button and share it with all your pyro friends. And if you haven't already, head over to facebook.com/muxboard and give us a like. And last but not least, if you want to hear the latest on Muxboard products, as well as firing systems and ematch technology, head over to YouTube and give us a subscribe.